Okay, I just want to take a minute to make a quick video on how to change the air filters on your lawnmower. Mine's an MTD GOLD. It's a 2012 model, so it's 11 years old. The engine is a Kohler Courage 22. But no matter what you've got, they're all really simple. You want to find down the side of the engine. This is the compartment where that covers the filters. So we'll take those off real quick. It's really simple. They're not all made this way. Some of them just have a little clip that undoes, and they kind of fold out like a book. That one unscrews. So this is one of the air filters. The other one came off with the cover. So that's the other air filter. It's pretty dirty. I don't know, it's probably been a couple years since I've changed these. You can see the dirt there. So anyway, you just pop them out, no problems. And then, sorry. You just take what you've ordered, which are these guys, and they'll fit back on same way you took them off. Get a little ridge that it fits around. It's hard to do one-handed, but I think it got a little dirty. That's okay. And then this one, this one here. So it's best to just take it and fit it back in there. And then take the cover. Put it back on there. Screw everything back on. And you're good to go. Simple, easy, no problems. I know most people that does their own maintenance knows how to do this stuff. There's some people out there who want to start doing their own maintenance and they don't really know anything. That's how I learned to do it. I just opened it up, started tearing things out, and figured it out. So, really, stuff like this, that's all you gotta do. Just don't be afraid to mess up, and take it apart and look at it. That's it.